16 advanced contemporary small group. Entry 388, How It Must Feel to Be a Bird.
How it must feel to be a bird. Roaming lonely over the sea, yeah. And even though this life is long, is brief, I've got some people who carry me. Now wasn't it love soon as we knew each other properly? Living about half right till a certain person got to me. Nothing is secret, everything's sacred, how it ought to be. Under the moonlight on a clear night on rooftops is where I wanna be. Sometimes I'm like a child, that's something I can't release. Dreams about coming home, sweet home, I'm telling you home so sweet. Said you reminded me in the summertime, and I still mean that. In a full room, I'm the only one she's smiling at. So wouldn't you let me know if you were thinking less of me? That's what she asked me, what was promised, what we both agreed. But truthfully, if you ever go, you drop me straight to hell. The 7 circling hours, talking with you earlier, we were open and vulnerable. It was wonderful. I used to dream that you would talk to me. I used to dream that you would talk to me. And I couldn't tell you enough that I'm sorry. And no, you couldn't tell me enough that you love me. She's bringing the moon and stars to me, and permanent reverie. And even though this life, this love is brief, I've got some people who carry me.